This is Math 142 Final Practice. This is problem number 9. You're supposed to solve it for all values of x bounded in 0 to 2 pi. So I have cosine, I have sine, I have tangent. It's a mess. I'm going to try and simplify this a bit. I at least like reduce the number of trig functions that are in here. So cosine x plus sine x. One thing I know about tangent x is it's sine x over cosine x. So I just substituted that. So that's going to at least reduce the number of trig functions in there. So now what I'm going to do is maybe combine some like terms and see where this thing goes. So if I go, this is sine is like sine over 1. So if I multiply these fractions together, it's going to be sine squared x over cosine x. So this became, I have this cosine x, and I have that equal to 2. So now I want to add these together. So they need a common denominator. This is currently over 1. This is over cosine. So if I multiply this one by this version of 1, then I'll have cosine squared x over cosine x plus sine squared x over cosine x. Now that I have a common denominator, I can add them together. Cosine squared x plus sine squared x over cosine x is 2. And I also know from Pythagorean identities that this is a 1. So 1 over cosine is 2. Well, that's not bad. So I'm just left with cosine. There's a couple things I could do here. I could multiply both sides by cosine, then divide by 2. That would get me there. The other thing I could do is just take the reciprocal of each side. If 1 over cosine equals 2 over 1, then cosine over 1 equals 1 over 2. And just flip both sides. So when is cosine 1/2? That sounds familiar. Cosine is 1/2 here and here. So it looks like pi over 3 and 5 pi over 3. There they are.